I want to help you be successful today, not yesterday, not in the past. And the skills that helped people make a lot of money and be successful then are not necessarily the skills that are going to help now. Let's talk about being a problem solver versus being a problem finder. Because of all of the information access that we have today, because of the fact that we can go on Google, and by the way, I was up till 3 o'clock in the morning looking at old Ford GT40 race cars because I'm like, man, I really want to buy one of those. You can access all of the information in the planet that you want. You can literally DIY. We actually have a network called the DIY network. You can do it yourself, solve just about any problem out there. So if you're the type of person that's like, hey, let me show you how to solve this problem. Let me show you how to solve this problem. Yes. Do you have to solve problems in your job? Of course, but you're not really setting yourself apart. You're not really adding any value above and beyond what they can already kind of do on their own. The real value today is not necessarily in being a problem solver. Of course, you're going to solve problems with your product, service, or solution, but being a problem finder. All right. Everybody can find the information, the products, the services they need to solve a problem that they already know they have. The real valuable, the CMSCs out there, they're experts in not only just solving problems, but finding those problems. Because of the fact that you told me this, because of the fact that you said this, Michael, with your current situation being this, what's really interesting, you may have not thought about this. I know a lot of our clients haven't, but what they found is when they look at adding the orange box option, I don't know what it is, but when they look at adding this, what ends up happening is suddenly this, and this changes. Whoa, I didn't even realize we have a situation with that. This is really awesome. There's value. Now I'm finding problems. I'm finding blind spots. I'm finding weaknesses that I didn't know I had because I'm working with this good doctor that's analyzing my situation and letting me know about things that I should be aware of, right? A great doctor is not just somebody that's going to give you a prescription because you know you have high blood pressure. A great doctor is also going to go, hey, we're going to get you the prescription for the high blood pressure. But did you know the fact that you're eating 27 Twix candy bars every day, you're actually at risk for diabetes? I want to talk to you about this, and this. Don't just be a problem solver. Also look for problems. Be a problem finder as well. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.